Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to tell you about multi-paragraph dictionary entries. This is a question that we get a lot in tech support, and the premise of the question is, can you have a single dictionary entry that spans over paragraph boundaries? And the answer is absolutely. You can do almost anything with dictionary entries in Eclipse. I have a note file open, and here I start with a question. And then once I get to the end of the question where they say, is that correct? I have a single stroke for corrects. That is that correct? Followed by an answer symbol. And then yes, that's correct with all of the punctuation that I'd like. And that all occurs in a single stroke. And so with a single stroke, I'm going to finish the question. I'm going to insert an answer symbol, which will also insert the question mark. And then I'm going to insert the answer. And then at that point, I can continue writing the next question. And here, if we go down, I have another alternative stroke for the same kind of scenario. And all this is it inserts a question, is that correct? And then inserts an answer. And then I can continue writing. And so I can have a single stroke brief that enters as much text and as many paragraphs as I'd like to in a single stroke. There's no limitation on the size of the dictionary entry that you can create, and there's no inherent reason that you can't do things that you need like this with briefs. And we frequently get questions about this in tech support, and it seems like some people are under the misconception that entries like this simply aren't possible, and that's not the case at all. And to outline that, if we look down here at the bottom, I have an entry that enters a centered line. It has direct examination spaced out with a space between each letter, and then another centered line, and it will have the word by in all caps, a space, and then a blank field where I'll be able to put in the questioning attorney's name. And then next it will insert a question and say, please state your name for the record. And then it will even insert an answer and begin with my name is. And this all happens with a single stroke. And so this is just an example of what you can put into a single dictionary entry. So now if I translate this, everything translated correctly, all of my combo entries put in the correct paragraph marks and punctuation, and also got the correct automatic punctuation. And then down here where I used it to insert centered lines, I have my direct examination, and I have a blank field that I can fill in with any name that I need to. And I've set it to capitalize the contents. So if I type in Mr. Smith and press OK, it's going to capitalize it as Mr. Smith. Because if we look at the dictionary entry that I made, my blank field specifies that the field should be variable in size, capitalize the field, and always prompt me for contents. And these are all things that I can define right in a dictionary entry. And so the only limitation that you have to how you can use dictionaries is your creativity. If there are things that you hear day in, day out that you need to put into a dictionary that span paragraph breaks or paragraph tokens, those are all things that you can define in your dictionary. And you shouldn't be afraid to experiment with definitions like this to see if they can save you time. I hope that this video clears up some confusion about the performance of features like this in Eclipse. Anything that you can imagine is probably possible. And if you're not sure how, just ask us. We're always happy to help. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.